Nausicaa is the biggest aquarium in Europe, housing over 50,000 animals. It is located in the city of Boulogne-sur-Mer in the Pas-de-Calais region, which is close to England and Belgium, and just about 2.5 hours from Paris, London, and Brussels. Here's a tip for when you visit Nausicaa. Wear a lot of colors and you will see magic unfold before your eyes.
C'est la plus grosse de toutes.
If you're interested in learning more about the technical aspects and the behind the scenes of Nausicaa, then here's where you need to be. While touring Nausicaa, if you feel hungry, then you may make a stop at Tropical Lagoon, have a snack, and then continue your tour. Nausicaa does not only house aquatic life, but various other species. Keep watching and you'll see. Nausicaa is not only a home for the different fish species, but also for the corals. An interesting feature of Nausicaa is that you may experience a sailor's life via a simulation of being on the sea and in a huge ship. While visiting Nausicaa, you have the opportunity to see an amazing show with sea lions and an amazing trainer, and together they perform wonderful tricks. Unfortunately, on this visit I did not see the show, but I've already showed a portion of it in one of my older videos.
Yes, I'm Roman, and that ends your trip today at Nausicaa. It was an amazing experience. There's a lot to see, and if you'd like to see more, then I encourage you to simply visit Nausicaa in Boulogne-sur-Mer. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Ciao, ciao.